Hello everyone. If you're in the mood for a delicious, creamy, refreshing dessert, then stay tuned because today we're making Kool-Aid Pie and Binks is going to help us out. Not. All right, everyone, get ready for a very quick and easy, refreshing dessert. It is a 3-ingredient pie. All you're going to need is a packet of Kool-Aid in any flavor that you would like, a can of sweetened condensed milk, not evaporated. Can't use evaporated milk. It has to be sweetened condensed milk. An 8-ounce package of whipped topping, or you can make your own out of heavy cream, but why bother? Make it easy on yourself. Same thing with the graham cracker crust. Just grab an already made one. Then you don't have to grind up the crackers and melt the butter and yada, yada, yada. Let's make it easy on ourselves, right? All right. And you'll need a bowl and a spatula, because we're going to do some folding today. Not folding laundry, but folding of whipped topping and sweetened condensed milk. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to pour our sweetened condensed milk into our bowl. Make sure to get all of that goodness out of the can. We don't want to waste anything. And this is thick, 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 thick. Holy moly. You know me, I don't waste anything. If there's a little bit in the bottom, I'm going to get it out. And there is. So pardon me while I get it out. Oh, sorry about that. All right. Now we are going to add our packet of Kool-Aid. I have chosen lemonade flavor. Get this opened. Oh my goodness, we're not supposed to put the packet in there, Dee. Let's just make a mess. All right. So what you're going to do is we're just going to mix this really, really well. You want to make sure that all of that Kool-Aid powder is mixed into your sweetened condensed milk. We don't want evaporated milk. So you want to mix it for about a minute, I would say, just to make sure it's really well combined and it's not like gritty. Oh my goodness, that looks good just by itself. Holy cow. Make sure you get the bottom and the sides. All right, that should be good. Okay, now we are going to add our whipped topping. can lighten it up as I am by using a light whip topping. I am such a messy baker. Okay, so now we are just going to fold. And all we're doing is going from the bottom and folding over. You don't want to mix this with a mixer because you will take all the air out of your whipped topping by doing that. That is why we are folding. And you want to make sure to mix this thoroughly. We don't want any streaks of sweetened condensed milk running through this. We want it mixed very, very well. So it does take, you know, a couple of minutes to fold all of this together, but it's so worth it. Now, the last time I made this, I made it for the 4th of July cookout at my aunt and uncle's. I made the blue Kool-Aid. It was a berry, some kind of a berry Kool-Aid. And it was pretty sweet, but it was good. The black cherry Kool-Aid looks like it would be delicious. I wanted to try to find lime Kool-Aid, and I wasn't able to find any lime Kool-Aid. So I just did the, I didn't even think about lemonade flavor, duh. So I also bought a pack of pink lemonade Kool-Aid. And I'm going to, the next time I make this, I'm going to try it with the pink lemonade. This is coming along really, really nicely. But we still have a little ways to go. Absolutely, this is going to be fabulous. All right, we are mixed very well here. Okay, so now all we're going to do is we are going to take our graham cracker crust. And what's nice about buying the already made ones is you have a lid to put on your pie. This plastic piece that we're going to take out of here is actually a lid. And they have recipes on the back sometimes as well. We'll have to check it out. All right, let's take this lid off. Yep, there's a recipe, Black Forest Cheesecake Pie. Oh my. All right, so now we are just going to pour our delicious filling into our pie crust. You don't want to get it up on the rim, because then it'll get all over the place when you go to put your lid on here. You know me, we ain't wasting nothing. Look at that. My hands are clean. I washed them. Let's get every little bit out of this bowl. Oops. All right, there it is, guys. So all you're going to do is you're going to put this in your refrigerator, and you're going to want to chill it for at least 2 to 3 hours. The longer you can chill it, the better. If you were going to take this to a picnic or something, you could make it the day before, and oh, I got to taste that. Oh boy, is that good. All right, guys, so here it is. I'm going to put this in the fridge, and I'm going to let it chill. And when it's ready, I will come back and show you the finished pie as I taste it. Yum! All right, everyone, here we are. This has been in the refrigerator for about 5 hours. So I am going to just cut a small slice, because y'all know I'm trying to watch what I eat. Hopefully I can get this out. Be nice to me. I'm trying to do it with one hand. We're not making out too good, but whatever. All right. I did have a few graham crackers in my cupboard, so I just decided to sprinkle some peaches on top for some extra crunch. Why not, right? And then we're gonna give it a try. Okay, everyone, the time has come for a taste. A big taste. You guys, it tastes like, almost like a creamy lemon cheesecake. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. There goes my diet. Oh my goodness. You definitely have to try this recipe, guys. And make sure you try it with the lemonade flavored Kool-Aid. Oh, oh dear. Okay, one more. So delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you do, let me know how you liked it. All right, everybody. I'm going to finish my pie. Later.